What the fat is happening, you guys? This morning, I've already showered at this point. I've always tried to shower with my son in the morning after his first poop of the day, so we go double time. Now I'm just doing a bit of skincare, just toner and serum. Here, I was just showing off my new ring light to my husband and showing him how it works and the lighting and the effect on the camera and everything. In the afternoons, we have some family time before my husband has to sleep after his night shift. Then, it's snack time for the little boy. My son often eats on his own now, but still with supervision, of course. I'm always around anyway. I'm guessing he wanted something sweet, so he asked for some raisins. Then it's playtime. I'm just gonna make some.
Hi. Okay,
Yeah.
Yellow.
I'm just gonna make some sweet potato fries as a snack. Hi, Sven. Yeah.
Hi, Sven.
Yes. Hi, Sven. Mommy's slicing. I'm sorry for all those who know how to peel or use a knife, but I am just not good at cooking or slicing anything. You wanna touch it? Alright.
Hi.
Hi. Can you sit down, please?
Hi.
Potato fries, so hard to slice. Why? That's the thing when you have a kids. When you're a mom already, you can't just focus on doing one thing. There are little intermissions right here. This little one needs something. So I just put some oil, palm oil. You should definitely try olive oil. Olive oil is so much better. I used to do it with olive oil, but we're out of olive oil right now. And then I'm putting some Himalayan salt, ground Himalayan salt. Spread it here.
Right there. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle.
Sprinkle. Yeah, sprinkles. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put some ground pepper. We usually just have it with Himalayan salt, and then I dip it in ketchup. But since we don't make ketchup,
Ketchup.
yeah, I'm gonna ketchup and more.
And
I'm gonna have to buy some in the store, but I'm putting peppers. So I'm not really a fan of pepper, but hey, what? And then you definitely need the oil so that the salt and the pepper will stick to the and then use with your hands. So you're sure that every bit of it has salt and also pop it in the oven, right? You want some of this potato fries? Put this in the oven. Put it in the oven. This is going in the oven. So I'm just gonna heat this up. Sweet potatoes in the oven, and definitely preheat your oven. I forgot about that, but I got the slicing and everything. Hi, Stan. And yeah, he's talking about my mic muffler. My mic has a muffler, so he keeps saying it's so soft. It looks so fluffy. Wow,
So
he's
cool.
so cool. Yeah. So I'm just gonna fix up my mess here, and let's wait for the sweet potato fries to be done. So now we just wait for the sweet potatoes to be fully baked and crispy. You know, the color that I like, just really, really bright peach and crispy at the same time. So usually when I bake it, it becomes crispy on the outside and really soft on the inside. When you're trying to diet the whole day and this happens. What is this? Let's open this. This cheapo pizza. Here at our garden, supposed to have obstacles, but it was a fail. And see here, it fell. And he doesn't want to pick another one up since he's so afraid that he might break it again. But we'll try again next time, maybe. And there's a bit of a mess here. It's fine. Just enjoying the sun a bit. We don't really get to go out, just here in our garden. It's actually been a while since we hung out here, since we're so afraid, but there's no people here. No people around, so it's time for us to enjoy some sun. There's the little boy stretching out his legs. Hi. Hi, Sven. I think he wants a popsicle now. Want a popsicle? Okay. Let's try to get one. Look at that little one. Trying to open the hose. What are you doing there? He's trying to open the hose. Are you gonna water the plants? Don't mind this mess. It's just disgusting. He found his bicycle. Did you find your bicycle, Sven? Did you find it? It's broken. It's broken. Come here. Come here. My friend, my best friend, told me to film the plants that we have here in our garden. I'm not much of a green thumb, but my mom loves plants, so these are her plants. These are snake plants for sure. This is palmera for sure. My dad says this is an insulin plant. This I don't know. This is a fern. This is something called like a devil something. This is super cute flowers. Another these plants this one actually is super cute. My mom has been wanting this kind of plant for so long. It's green right now, but during Burr months or Christmas, it turns red. Super cool. And this is the fortune plant. I know this is quite famous actually. So sad it's broken there. Sad. And we have lots here. This is another of the devil thing. I don't know what it's called. I know it's devil something. And you have to see our humongous cacti. There's our well. And there's this huge cactus. There's the big cactus. Scary cactus. And this one, super yuck. They're trying to propagate something. Not propagate. They're trying to grow something there.
Popsicles.
Yes, the popsicles are broken.
Broken.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
It's okay. Yeah, so those are all my mom's plants. This is a jade, I think it's called a jade plant. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. See ya!
Bye.